Hello students. So we have started with the first topic of your subject cost and management accounting. We have started with the topic cost accounting. So you have started with the introduction. You know, or I have explained you what do you mean by cost accounting. Then you have learned what are the objectives of cost accounting, what cost accounting is doing for the management, how it is helping the management to control the current and also plan for the future cost. So you have learned those things. Now after that, we will learn now what are the characteristics of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a science. Cost accounting is an empirical science. It has its own principles and rules. Now, what is empirical science? Rule of cost accounting are conditioned by the operation, personnel, and policy of the undertaking with respect to which its techniques are to be applied. Dynamic nature. The principles, rules, and techniques of cost accounting are not static but dynamic. So you know what is dynamic? It changes, not fixed. Static means fixed and dynamic means it changes. They changes with the passage of time and situation. So the rules of cost accounting changes with time or changes with situations. Social science. Its principle cannot be verified and proved by controlled experiments like exact science because it is a social science. Now like mathematics, physics and chemistry, we have exact science and it is universally proved. We cannot change them. But cost accounting is a social science, so it can be verified and it can be changed. Okay, but it cannot be proved by any control experiments like physics and chemistry. The next is behavioral science. As it is operated by human being with feelings and emotions, it is also called behavioral science. Now, cost accounting rules are made by human beings with feelings and emotions. They have studied it and then they have applied those rules. So it is also called a behavioral science. It is an art requiring skill. Now cost accounting is also called, or it also has a characteristics of an art which requires skills. It is also an art, so the application of its principles requires skills, effort and practice on the part of cost accounting. So since it is an art which requires skills, so it requires skills and effort and practice on the part of the cost accountant. So it should be applied with skills and effort. Okay. So these are the characteristics of cost accounting. So in the next classes, we will be learning about the functions of cost accounting. Then we'll be learning about the advantages and disadvantages of cost accounting. So for now, we have understood what do you mean by cost accounting, and then we have done the objectives of cost accounting and then the characteristics of cost accounting. Okay. I hope I'm understandable to you all. Okay, so in next class, we will be doing the functions, advantage and disadvantages of cost accounting.